Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Alright, guys, to solve this problem, we first need to use the psychrometric chart to determine the enthalpy H1, specific volume V1, and absolute humidity W1 by using the given temperature, that is T1 is equal to 22 degrees centigrades, and the wet bulb temperature, that is TWB, 1 is equal to 16 degrees centigrades. So guys, we've got H1 is equal to 45.6 kilojoules per kg. Then we've got V1 is equal to 0.85 cubic meters per kg. Then we have W1 is equal to 0.00923. And moving further, we will also need the same properties for the exit stream and the enthalpies H3 and H4. For the calculation, we will use the given temperature, that is T2 is equal to 30 degrees centigrades and T3 is equal to 40 degrees centigrades and T4 is equal to 33 degrees centigrades, whereas relative humidity phi 2 is equal to 95%. So now we have the values H2 is equal to 96.1 kilojoule per kg. Then we have W2 is equal to 0.02579. Then we have H3 is equal to 168 kilojoules per kg, and H4 is equal to 138 kilojoules per kg. So guys, we will now use the mass flow rate balances for water and air and rearrange them to simplify the upcoming calculations. So guys, MA1 is equal to MA2 is equal to MA. So M3 minus M4 is equal to MA into W2 minus W1, that is equal to MM. So moving further to part A of this question, we can take the energy balance equation and solve it for the needed mass flow rate, that is MA. For the calculation, we will need the given mass flow rate of water, that is M3, which is equal to 60 kg per second. So we have 0 is equal to MA H2 plus M4 H4 minus MA H1 minus M3 H3. So next we have 0 is equal to MA into H2 minus H1 plus minus MA into W2 minus W1 plus M3 multiplied by H4 minus M3 H3. So guys, now we find the formula for MA, that is M3 into H3 minus H4 divided by H2 minus H1 minus W2 minus W1 into H4. So now we put the values over here and we get MA is equal to 60 into 168 minus 138 divided by 96.1 minus 45.6 minus 0.02579 minus 0.00923 multiplied by 168. So MA is equal to 37.72 kgs per second. With the mass flow rate, we can now calculate the volume flow rate. So V is equal to MA into V1 is equal to 37.72 multiplied by 0.85 is equal to 32.06 cubic meters per second. So we can now calculate the mass flow rate of the makeup water, that is m. Now we have ma multiplied by w2 minus w1 is equal to 37.72 multiplied by 0.02579 minus 0.00923, and that is equal to 0.62 kgs per second. So guys, these are the answers to this question. I hope you have easily understood all the calculations as well as the formulas. Thank you very much.